Hello, wonderful students. I hope you are enjoying your day off. I thought that I would make a little video for you to explain your homework a little better. So first of all, congratulations on surviving your first week of school. I hope to see you next week. So let me start. So if you remember, my students on Mondays and Wednesdays are part of Group B. Now in class, for most of you, you set up your Quizlet account. So let me walk you through that. So my Monday and Wednesday students, you are in Group B, and what you have to do to set up your account is you have to type in this website exactly in the address bar. So let me show you. I'm going to go to a page and I'm going to type in that website exactly. Okay? Now for the Tuesday and Thursday students, you have a different website. So let me show you in a minute. bit.ly/spring-group B. Now, click that and it's going to take me to this page. Okay? So I'm going to sign up to request free access. I'm going to sign up right here. But if I already have a Quizlet account, like the students who were with me last term, just go ahead and log in. Okay? Just log in and type in the website again. Okay? Alright, so that's it. Okay? I recommend that you sign up with the Google account if you have Gmail because it's just so much easier. You could also sign up with Facebook. I think the majority of us have a Facebook account. It's just easier and that way you don't have to remember another password. Okay? Now, once you are on Quizlet, you will see that you have all of these sets. So this is all stuff that you can practice. But remember that for the next month, your homework, every day, as much as you can, you have to study the vocabulary here. These two things, okay? So first, this set is for you to practice the vocabulary that you are going to see in the questions. Okay, so these are 16 words and these are 51 questions. Okay, so start here once you create your account. Okay, these other things are extra vocabulary and extra things that you could study at a later time. Okay, this vocabulary is from the conversation class, which was about library last Thursday. Okay, so let me show you if you are in my Group A. Group A is Tuesdays and Thursdays. So what you will do is pretty much the same thing. You are going to type in bit.ly/spring-group A. Okay? And it tells me Group A. And again, both of you, both classes, Group A and Group B, have the same things in their, have the same flashcards in their files. So just go ahead and sign up. So I have a Google account, so I'm going to sign up with Google. I'm going to choose which account, so I'm going to choose that one. And ta-da! I am logged in, okay? And I can go ahead and start practicing. I'm going to click. This is all the vocabulary that I can study, okay? Now I can read it like this, but then it gets more exciting and I can choose different ways to practice, okay? I can choose different ways to practice. So these right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, they are all types of games that you can play, okay? All right, so your second piece of homework was your quizzes, correct? A quiz on context clues. So let me show you. If you are in group B, I'm going to go to that website, join.quizzes.com. So join.quizzes.com. And I'm going to type in that code. So for group B, so Monday, Wednesday group B, my code is 536051. Okay? Now it says here, my name is Monica, but remember I asked you to type in your last name, comma, first name. Okay? Alright, so for the students in group A, so that means the students that I see on Tuesdays and Thursdays, you are going to repeat the same process, but you have a different code, okay? So I'm going to go to join, I am going to type in join.quizzes.com, okay? Type it in directly right here, directly at the top. Don't type it into Google, okay? Don't type it into Google. Everything I tell you, just type it directly onto your address bar. So my code, because I see you on Tuesdays and Thursdays, is 538311. Okay? And again, I want last name, comma, first name. Okay? And then I just start the quiz. Okay, so you see these are the people that are already playing. So I'm just going to start playing. And there you go. Okay, so that is your homework for the weekend. I'd like for you to practice the citizenship questions and take the context clues quiz, which we have already practiced in class, but some of you said you wanted to review the questions again. Have a wonderful weekend, and I hope to see everybody next week. Welcome to Intermediate High B. Have a wonderful weekend.